What is a computer program? In this segment, we're going to explore the world of computer programming by looking at exactly what a computer program is. 1. You begin with problem. 2. Develop a solution. 3. Solve the problem. A computer program performs 3 functions: input, process, output. What's an algorithm? It's a step-by-step set of directions. It's very much like directions for baking a cake. You can imagine if you iced the cake prior to baking it. Each step must be logically ordered. Just like the algorithm for baking a cake, a computer program is a list of instructions that tells the computer what to do. A computer program is a solution to a problem, which consists of a set of instructions, algorithm, that tells the computer what to do. A computer program consists of input, processing, and output.